Hey friends, if you need Intel high definition audio drivers 64-bit and 32-bit to be downloaded, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So simply search for it in the search bar, although I doubt you'll get that. Okay. So the thing is that it is not available on the Windows side, but I'll show you for affirmation. If you check through drivers, you'll find every type of drivers, but not the audio drivers. For better options, you can also check it here. In the search bar you won't find the audio drivers. So how will you get the Intel audio high definition audio drivers? It's very simple. Search for device manager, open the device manager, expand the list for audio inputs and outputs, and update these drivers. This is the best option that you can use here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.